Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have a project share to show you guys in this video. These are paper handmade embellishments that I had made. I made them using my scrap papers as well as these really cute flowers that you can see here on my embellishments. I used the 12 by 12 paper pad by Pink Paisley. It's their 5th Monaco paper pad, and I'll just show you the really lovely paper pad. It's got some beautiful prints. So this is the collection, 5th and Monaco by Pink Paisley. It's a really lovely paper pad, and inside the pad there were these really pretty floral prints, and I wanted to see if my circle punches would fit on the flowers, and they did fit perfectly. As you can see, I've already started punching some out, and I really like these florals. And so what I'd done was I made them into embellishments, and I'll show you some of the ones that I've made, and they look really cute. I punched them out, and then I adhered it onto a gold glitter cardstock, and then also punched out a heart shape on some white cardstock, and then added a tassel onto the bottom of this one. It is just so lovely, and I think this would look so great on projects. So that's one of them that I've made. Then I made this one here, which is a slightly larger size flower. So I used a larger size circle punch. I used some scraps to create a banner. I laid a banner on top of another banner, just using some scissors, and again just using some larger size circle with gold glitter cardstock. And this is a plain circle punch. I raised it with some foam dot just to add some dimension, and this is, again, will be ready for me to add to a project. I made this one here as well. This is really nice, and it's quite a little bit more dimensional. I just used some strip of scrap paper, and then I accordion fold the paper, laid some strips of paper there and a word sentiment, and then I placed the heart shaped one, which is the same as this one, and I adhered that to some more scrap paper and made it a little banner, and then just placed that on the top of the accordion fold strip. And then this is ready for me if I want to add this to a bag topper or place it in front of a pocket, and it's pretty much already done. So that's really cute. I do like this one. And then I made this one here, which is from a postage stamp die set that I have. And I just used some scrap papers to layer the top. And this is a smaller size flower again. And then I just used a word sentiment down the bottom here to finish that off. And this would also look great to just finish off a 3x3 note card or a 3x3 card, and I can just place that on the front, or I can punch a little hole up here and create a little small tag and place this on some packaging. And this turned out really cute as well. So these are just some of the embellishments that I had made with these little flowers, and then I punched out a few more of the embellishments and put them together in case you'd also like to purchase these in my shop. So I'll just show you what you get in the pack. You'll get a random 3 of these embellishments. So you get the 3 larger sizes, and you'll either have them in the plain circle or the scallop circle background. So you'll get a random 3 images on a random 3 of these circles, and these ones are about 1.5 inches in size. So you'll get 3 of those, and then you'll also get 2 of the smaller sizes. You'll get the circle size and the heart shape as well. Again, random flowers, and you'll get 5. So altogether there's 5 pieces in the pack. And then I've also added 5 word sentiments, 5 random word sentiments in there in the pack for you, in case you want to add these word sentiments to your embellishments. So these are what you get in the pack. And then I made a little envelope to package the embellishments in, and this is the envelope that I've made, and I've created a little vellum pocket in the front so you can still be able to sneak peek and have a look inside the packaging. And I've just used some twine to wrap it around to keep it closed, and a cute little gold glitter bird shape just to decorate your packaging. And then this is just ready for you to send as a gift to a crafty friend, or in a Happy Mail packaging. Or if you want to, you could reuse the envelope again and add your own goodies. So this is just a little bonus envelope to go with the embellishments. And the envelope will be also a random print. It won't necessarily be this print paper, but it will still be a really lovely envelope to keep the embellishments in. So I just wanted to share with you the little kit or embellishment pack that's going to be in my store, and these will be in my store until it's sold. I think I have a few packets, not too many of those, and I just want to share with you my little embellishments that I had so much fun making and ready for me to add to my projects. So I hope you enjoyed this video, share, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.